In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the outline view in Google Docs. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who just loves to write, enhancing your productivity and organization in Google Docs is always a great idea. Let's go through the steps together and make sure you're fully equipped to use this feature to its maximum potential. First up, you'll need to make sure you're in Google Docs. If you're not already there, you can simply open your web browser and type in Google Docs in your search engine. Clicking on the first link, which usually leads you directly to the Google Docs homepage, is a quick way to get started. Once the page loads, you'll be presented with a few options. You can either open a new document or access an existing one from your list of files. For today's demonstration, we'll assume that you want to use a document that you've already created. Once you have your document in front of you, take a look at the top of the page. You'll notice a menu bar with several options like File, Edit, View, Insert, and so forth. For activating the outline view, we're going to focus on the View option. Click View, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see something called Show Document Outline or Outline, depending on your version. When you click this, a sidebar will open up on the left side of your document. Now, this sidebar is where the magic happens. It will display a structured outline of your document based on the headings and subheadings you've used. If you've been consistent with using different heading styles like Heading 1, Heading 2, etc., this outline view will help you see a clearer picture of your document's structure at a glance. It's a fantastic tool if you want to quickly navigate to specific sections of a long document without endless scrolling.